Hi guys, so today I am going to show you a simple piece of code about JavaScript. It's going to be a login website. I'm not going to use any CSS because we don't have anything to do with them. So let's just go ahead and start our index right here. The title is going to be logging in. Yeah, yep. And then right after here, we are going to get a form. The name will be let's just go like this. This means login in Turkish, so I'm just going to go like this because it's going to be easier for me. You can do this whatever you want to, but just keep in mind that when we go to Java, you have to change your code into this to whatever you change it into. Okay, now let's go log or like username. We are going to get an input. Type is going to be text, and the name is going to be right there. And we are going to get, no, not that, br. So this is like when you want to make a space, so you can just use this. Let's just go like this, and password is going to be input. The type is going to be a password, so we can't really see what we write, unlike the text button or the input. And the name is going to be password, but it's going to be in Turkish, so I don't get confused. And then I'm going to go with span right there. Use style. The CSS is actually going to be in the HTML code because it's going to be pretty short. So let's just go ahead and go like this. Color is going to be red right there. The ID of the span is going to be info. Yep. And then I want to put a space right there. So let's just go like that. And then open an input. The type is going to be button. The name, we are going to delete the name, and the value is going to be on click is going to be login parentheses, and yep, we are going to put a space right there again. Yep. Now this form is closed right there, and then I want to open an A. Let's go right here and specify the ID is going to be link, style, display, none. And this part is going to be, this part has nothing to do with it actually. So I'm just going to leave it blank. And if you want to put blank on A, you just have to put this hashtag. It doesn't really lead you anywhere. But if you want to put a link here, when you click on the button, it's going to direct you to the link that you just typed in. Now we are like that, and then we are going to delete the end of this and put img. And so guys, you have to get an image. For example, I got the Google one because when we enter the username and the password right, we want something to pop up. And if I enter these correctly, I want a Google image to pop up. So I'm just going to go like this. And here I'm going to link my script in JavaScript. So just go like this. Script.js right there, as you can see. Ignore the slide CSS, by the way. It doesn't really do anything. It actually doesn't do anything. Now let's go type text JavaScript. Yep. And then our index HTML part is over. Let's just save and see what we have. Now, as you can see, we have these two, but when I type in, it does absolutely nothing. This means submit, by the way, so let's just do that so you won't get confused. Yep, I think that's it for the HTML. Now let's just go here to like script.js. It's going to be pretty short, unlike the piano video I did earlier. Now guys, our code here is done. Let's just check and see what we did. So just save them and open it in the browser. Now as you can see, we have these. So if I type this and 1234, you can see it right here because we adjusted it to be a password type. When I go to submit, I want this icon to pop up and write success. But if I go like this, okay, and type submit, it's going to give me this. Now guys, you can customize it however you want with style CSS. It doesn't matter, it will work. Thank you so much for watching my video. This one's pretty short because this one's pretty basic. Have a nice day. Bye.